are the some samples how people mount the motocross helmet. Another sample. So what I'm doing is, in this video I will mount the GoPro or any action camera on the chin. So in motocross helmet there is no flat surface, at that to use this screw for fitting. Then take out the velcro. Don't use the sticker type velcro, it will not be 100% guaranteed that it will be protected. There are two mounts they have provided, so I will use the flat one, not the curve one. And the J mount is necessary in this. For the chin mount, J mount is the best mount in all this. Then some extensions we will get. I will need 3 extensions there. One for the 90-degree rotation, so this is the smaller one, that is 90-degree rotation, which rotate your camera. Another 90-degree rotation with a larger size. And then we have done with the things that we need. And I will show you quickly how to mount our action cam at such conditions. This all in though there is no flat surface, so what I am doing is I will apply the velcro on the front end. So take out the velcro and take the 3M sides. This is a flat one, the curve having some gaps, so put your velcro in that gaps like this. Take out it from the back side, another entered from front side. It will looks like a watch somewhat, and here it is ready. So as you can see here, it is similar that of the watch. So it is ready. Then the J mount, for now we have to get the best viewing angle, so I will first mount the all extra accessories. So the J mount is connected with the shorter one. We have to rotate it because the screw is outside. So here we are ready. The screw is locking up. Till then, listen to the music. So here's the first angle is done. Then 180-degree rotation, that is for upward. Why it is provided upward? Because it will give actual view angle, what the driver can see from the helmet. That angle will be provided. That's why the heighter one extension we will need in this case. So after the second tightening the screw, then you have to just apply the action camera screw to the final end. So as I am adjusting the third and last angle, so what the first smaller is doing, we have lost the angle because of the J hook, so it will again come to the center, and then another longer one extension is using for giving the height. So we will mount the action cam here like this, and then it is ready. So after tightening this, your part is ready for 3M tape. We have not removed the 3M tape. Now let's quickly fix this. I will show you. If you are having that sticker type, don't use that. This is the highly preferred, so use this one only. I will not suggest that to use. It may be slip off, so your GoPro will be crash or get down. So this is okay. So from inside we will take it like chin mount here, and inside it is like stable, so it will not make any problem from inside also. At the end it is quite sturdy. You can lift your helmet like this. So let's quickly attach this zip and you are ready to go. Let's buckle up this thing. Accordingly you just adjust your GoPro up and down whenever you want the clear view. So this is the final product, looks like.